Hi everybody. Today we are going to do the problems from exercise 1.4. So let us see the first question. Simplify the following expressions. So in that first one is root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. So we have to find product of these two. To this, how to multiply 5 into 2 plus root 5 and plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. So first one into 2 plus root 5 plus second one into 2 plus root 5. So 5 into 2 plus 5 into root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 7 into root 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 into root 5, 5 root 5. We cannot simplify. So this is root 7 into 2, 2 root 7 plus root 7 into root 5, that is root 7 into 5. You can write in a single root. So this is 6, 5 root 5, 2 root 7 plus root 35. That's all. We cannot simplify these four terms. Okay, this is root 3 plus root 7 whole square. So that you can write as, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So that is a plus b whole square form. That is called a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square is root 3 whole square. B square is root 7 whole square. And plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into root 7. So root 3 whole square means square root get cancelled, will get 3. 2 square root get cancelled, 7. Square root second root, so square get cancelled, plus 2 into root 3 into 7. Can write in a single root, that is 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 2 into 3 into 7 is root 21. So 10 plus 2 root 21. Okay. Third one is root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. It is in the form of a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. That equal to a square minus b square. So that is a square, that is root 11 whole square minus root 7 whole square. This is second root. There is no n value, so that is 2. Here there is no value means 2. So square root is get cancelled, 11. Same, cancel 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay. Next, second question. Okay, second question is classify the following as rational and irrational. So the first one is, this is rational minus root 3 is irrational. So in before video already we learnt the difference of a rational and irrational is always irrational. This is irrational. And second one is the sum of two. This is irrational and it is also irrational. The sum of two irrationals is also irrational. Okay. So root 2 minus 2 whole square. So we have to simplify this. So it is a minus b whole square. That is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is root 2 whole square and minus 2ab, 2 into root 2 into 2 plus b square is 2 square. Root 2 whole square is 2, square root get cancelled, minus 2 2s are 4 root 2 plus 2 square is 4. 4 plus 2 will get 6 minus 4 root 2. 2 plus 4, 6 minus 4 root 2. So it is the irrational. Irrational into rational is irrational. Irrational, difference of rational and irrational is again irrational. Irrational. Okay. Next one is 2 pi. Already we know that pi is a irrational number. Actually, what is the definition of pi? Circumference by diameter. In any one of these two is an irrational number. Either C or D or irrational number. The division of a rational and irrational is an irrational number. So irrational into rational is also again irrational. So it is irrational. Okay. So pi is an irrational number. So the product of irrational and 2 is rational number. So irrational and rational is again irrational number. Third question. In the following equations, whether the following variables x, y, z, etc. represent rational or irrational numbers. So the first one is x square equal to 7. To write x, you have to take root on both sides. So take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides. Get root x square equal to root 7. Square root get cancel, x equal to will get root 7. So root 7 is irrational number. So it is irrational. Irrational. Okay. So next, y square equal to 16. Again take square root on both sides. So root y square equal to root 16. So square root get cancel, y equal to root 16 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So root 16 is, we can write 4 into 4. So we can write as 1 4 out of the root. So y equal to 4. So y 4 is rational number. So y is rational. It is rational. Okay. Then third one. Third one is by same, taking square root on both sides. Root z square equal to root 0.02. Z equal to, we can write this as 2 by, after decimal point we have 2 digits, so we can write by 100. So that equals root 2 by root 100. So here root 2 is root 2 itself. By root 100 is 10. So root 2 by 10. Irrational and it is rational. Irrational by rational is irrational. So z equal to irrational. Irrational. Here we have one more. Same. Take square root on both sides. Root u square equal to root 7 by 4. So that equal root 7 by root 4. That you can write root 7 by root 4 is 2. Irrational by rational is also an irrational. It is also irrational. Okay. Like this, after simplification, we can decide whether it is rational or irrational numbers. So fourth question is, every third is a rational number, but every number need not to be a third. Justify your answer. Suppose 0.234516 dash. This is an irrational number. Irrational number, but not third. But not third. But every third, 2 root 3, 4 root 5, 6 root 3, 6 root 2, whatever. These all are thirds and also irrational number. But these type of numbers, which are decimal numbers and non-repeating, non-terminating decimals, these are irrational but not third. Okay, these are the examples. Let us see the next question. Okay, next question is simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator in that first question. So first question is 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. So simplify this by rationalizing the denominator. That is 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. What you have to do? Rationalizing the denominator. So what is the rationalizing factor of 6 plus 4 root 2? That you have to write. Rationalizing factor RF of 6 plus 4 root 2. Okay. To rationalizing this, you have to multiply with the rationalizing factor. So what is the rationalizing factor? Is 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay. You have to multiply with that rationalizing factor to numerator and denominator. So that is into 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. We are multiplying numerator and denominator with 6 minus 4 root 2. Because by cancelling these two, we will get same again. 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. There is no change in value. That's why we are multiplying in numerator and denominator. రెండిట్లలో కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే. Here this is 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. It is 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. We have the same. That's why you can write whole square. A into A square like that. By it is 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. What is the A plus B into A minus B? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Okay. By using this identity, you can write A square 6 square minus B square 4 root 2 whole square. So it is A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. That is A square 6 square minus 2AB, 2 into A is 6 into B is 4 root 2 plus B square 4 root 2 whole square by A square minus 2AB plus B square by 6 square is 36 minus 4 root 2 whole square. That means 4 square into root 2 square. 4 root 2 whole square means this is 4 square into root 2 whole square. This square to both. 4 square is 16. Root 2 whole square. Square root get cancelled 2. That is 16 2s are 32. This is 32. Now 6 square is 36 minus 2 6 are 12. 12 4s are 48 root 2 plus again 4 root 2 whole square. We did here already. That is 32 by 36 minus 32 is 4. That equals. Here we have two rational numbers. 36 plus 32 is 68 minus. It is irrational number because 48 into root 2. Product of rational and irrational. 48 root 2 means 48 into root 2. This is 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48 into root 2. So 48 into root 2. Product of rational and irrational is irrational. So we cannot add to any one of these. 48 root 2 by 4. To simplify this, we can common from these two. From these two, we can take 4 as common. That is 17 4s are 68 minus 12 4s are 48 root 2 by 4. 4 1s are get cancelled. We got 17 minus 12 root 2. This is the answer. Here don't cancel any one of 68 or 48 by 4. 68 కానీ 48 కానీ ఏదో ఒకటి మాత్రమే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయకూడదు. ఆ రెండింటి నుంచి కొంత కామన్ చేసి క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. సో ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ థర్డ్ వన్. సో ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ 1/3√2 minus 2√3. So whatever we have to write the RF, rationalizing factor of denominator. So 3√2 minus 2√3, rationalizing factor of this is 3√2 plus 2√3. Okay, rationalizing factor of this is this. Just I changed the sign. Okay, you have to multiply with this to numerator and denominator. So that is 1/3√2 minus 2√3 into 3√2 plus 2√3 by 3√2 plus 2√3. Okay, 1 into anything, 1 into something is something, 3√2 plus 2√3 by, it is a minus b into a plus b. So that is a square minus b square, a 3√2 whole square minus b square 2√3 whole square. So numerator is same as it is. There is no possibility to simplify. This is 3√2 whole square, 3√2 whole square. That means 3 square and √2 whole square. 3 square is 9 into √2 square. Square root get cancelled to 9 2s are 18. So it is 18 minus 2√3 whole square. That is 2 square is 4, √3 whole square. Square root get cancelled, 4 3s are 12. So it is 12. That equal to 3√2 plus 2√3 by 12 minus 18 minus 12 is 6. So we cannot take common. So you have to keep like this only. But don't cancel 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Because this is common by. This 6 is dividing both. సో రెండింటిని కలిపి డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది, అంతేగాని ఇండివిజువల్గా దానికి క్యాన్సిల్, దీనికి ఒక్కొక్కసారిగా క్యాన్సిల్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద సొల్యూషన్. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ సమ్ మోర్ టు దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్. రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విల్ డూ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.